How to download and install Rise of Kingdoms on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to download the Rise of Kingdoms game on your Android and start playing, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device and in the search box type in Rise of Kingdom. From the search results, look for this application from Lilith Games and then click on the install button to begin the download process. Wait for the application to download and install the game, which will take us several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Rise of Kingdoms Lost Crusade, commonly called Rise of Kingdom or ROK, is a free-to-play real game strategy mobile game where you build and lead your own civilization, gather resources, explore a vast world, and fight in epic battles. It is a real-time strategy or MMO civilization builder game which has multiplayer modes as well as single-player campaign elements. The game is also available on Windows and Mac. Rise of Kingdom has a global huge player base known for its alliance warfare, strategic depth, and long-term progression. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the download should be done and you can tap the play button and start playing Rise of Kingdoms on your Android device. Whether you are using mobile or tablet, it is easy to get the application. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.